everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be diving into a short but useful Python code snippet that uses the datetime library to get the current time on your computer. The code we'll be looking at today is just a few lines long, but it packs a punch. Let's break it down line by line. Import datetime. The first line imports the datetime library. This library provides us with a number of functions for working with dates and times in Python. In our case, we'll be using the datetime.datetime.now function to get the current date and time. Then, we're using the strftime method to format that date and time object into a string that we can print.